Hey everyone, if you are someone who experiences knee discomfort, struggles with mobility, or just want to strengthen your knees for long-term health, then this video is for you. I am Dr. Yogita Loya, a homeopathic doctor and also a yoga teacher at Avio Group. In this video, I will walk you through some simple but effective knee exercises to improve your knee mobility and strength, to ensure that your knees are ready for whatever life throws at them. Let's begin. First exercise we will see today is knee flexion and stretch out. Stand on yoga mat with your feet close together. Lift your right leg up and move it backward, bending at the knee. Try to touch your heel to your hip as you move it backward. Bring the leg forward, straightening it out in front of you. Repeat this movement alternating between flexing and stretching. Repeat this 10 times with your right leg. Now lift your left leg up and move it backward, bending at knee, and bring the leg forward, stretching it out in front of you. Repeat this 10 times with your left leg. Here is second knee rotation exercise. Stand with your legs together, slightly bending the knees. Place both hands gently on your knees. As you inhale, rotate your knees in a clockwise direction. Begin with 10 repetitions. You can increase as you practice more. Repeat same movement in an anti-clockwise direction for 10 times. Here is third, outward and inward knee rotation. Stand with your legs slightly apart and bend your knees. Inhale as you rotate your knees from outward to inward. Exhale while rotating from inward to outward. Start with 10 repetitions in each direction. Increase as your strength and flexibility improves. Practice these exercises regularly. For doing these exercises with me, take out your yoga mat, sit on it with your back upright and legs straight in front of you. Now let's begin. For first exercise, start by bending your right leg from knee, squeeze it towards the chest, then straighten it. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. Do not keep your leg on the floor. Now lift your left leg, bend it and squeeze towards your chest, then straighten it again. Perform few repetitions in the same way. Now rest for a few seconds. For second exercise, lift your right leg with support of your hands under the knee. Slowly start moving your leg from knee joint in circular motion clockwise. After a few repetitions, reverse direction, move it anti-clockwise. Now straighten right leg and lift your left leg with support of your hands under the knee. Slowly start moving left knee in circular motion clockwise. After a few repetitions, move it in anti-clockwise direction. Do not forget to do same number of cycles from both legs. You can also perform these exercises on chair or while lying down if you want less strain on your back. For third exercise, bend backward slightly with support of your hand. Bend your legs, move your knees in circular motion. First move it clockwise. After few repetitions, move it in anti-clockwise direction. You can also perform this exercise with your hands under the knee. These gentle exercises are perfect for improving knee health and strength without putting extra strain on your joints. Save these for your next workout session. Stay tuned for more such exercises. Thank you for watching.